Rhea Chakrabarti, who was arrested by the NCB and sent to the Baikala jail, has filed a bail plea in a sessions court. This is her second bail plea in which her lawyer has alleged on her behalf that the NCB is spinning a false narrative in the case and also claimed that Rhea is innocent and was coerced under duress to make the confessions that she did. However, in a new twist in the tale, Rhea's lawyer Satish Manishinde, who had called her arrest a travesty of justice, has now filed a new bail plea which will be heard by a sessions court on the 10th of September. Shouvik Chakrabarti and Dipesh Sawant have also filed bail pleas, and these too will be heard by the session court on the 10th of September. Times Now, which has accessed the complete bail application, has reported that Rhea has made two major claims in her new plea. Number one, the first is that a false narrative is being spun in the case to implicate her. Number two, secondly, Rhea and lawyer claim that the statements she gave before the NCB during questioning were made under duress and that she was coerced into making these statements. The NCB had questioned Rhea for 3 days for almost 24 hours before making an arrest. Rhea had allegedly confessed that she both procured and consumed banned substances and was involved in the financial transactions related to these procurements. The actress also allegedly admitted to giving instructions to Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant and Shouvik for the procurement of banned substances. That was also allegedly indicated by the chats that were accessed by Times Now. While Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti and many of his fans shared celebratory posts on social media after Rhea's arrest, there is a growing section of Bollywood celebrities who have shared their shock and horror at the way Rhea has been maligned and vilified on electronic and social media. Speaking to a news channel, actor Swara Bhaskar said, "I think that what Rhea has been subjected to is absolutely horrifying. It is very relatable and very scary that social media allegations and rantings of one or two blue-tick verified accounts on social media could actually lead to a person getting caught and being accused of such serious crimes." Swara also added, "I mean, we are talking about money laundering. The ED is investigating this young woman. These are the people who should be bringing back Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi, but what are they investigating? The CBI is supposed to be probing really serious cases, and this is what they are investigating." One can only hope that after so many delays and a continuing parallel media trial, the truth in the case can emerge and allow Sushant's family to finally get the closure after his tragic demise.